And learners, assalamu alaikum to all of you. We are reading the lesson global warming. Today we are going to do the language work. Use the following phrases or expressions from the lesson in your own sentences. So first phrase or expression is in progress. In progress पेश रफ्त के मरहले पर. Work on the new schools is now in progress. Second phrasal verb इसका है uncontrollable rate. तो इसका माने है बेकाबू शरह. The air pollution is increasing at uncontrollable rate. Third phrase इसका है across the globe. Across the globe दुनिया भर में. The recession in economy is felt across the globe. Fourth phrase है इसका in the backdrop of के पस मंजर में. The present government cannot take any more hard steps in the backdrop of coming elections. पांचवा इसका phrasal verb है at an alarming rate. एक खतरनाक शरह से. The population of China is increasing at an alarming rate. Fifth phrasal verb है इसका Sixth an irritating change. एक उकता देने वाली तब्दीली. The death of his young friend has brought an irritating change in his behavior. इसके बाद है सातवां phrasal verb और expression bereft of से महरूम. In our village, a large number of children are bereft of education due to the poverty. इसके बाद है eighth phrasal verb dried up. सूखे हुए. During the drought, the river dried up. तो इस heavy burden तो इस के माने है भारी बोझ. After her husband's death, she carried a heavy burden of responsibilities. Sporadic rise in his temperature has caused us much worry. तो इसका है आंसर irregular. तो इसके बाद इसका सेकंड है reading of poetry. Reading of poetry is not congenial to his taste. Suited. तो इसके बाद है तीसरा the viewers have to do meaningless work. तो repetitive. इसके बाद है fourth the fishing boat pulled away from the wharf and chugged smoothly down the baby. इसका आंसर है harbor. Now in the following sentences use either infinitive or the gerund in order to make them correct. तो dash is good for health. Laughing. तो इसके बाद है दूसरा our turn over we left the library being इसमें आएगा. The old woman tried dash to the hospital alone to go. फोर्थ का है dash late for school is his habit. being आएगा वहाँ पे. Hina dash completed her work. having dash music is her hobby. listening music. तो इसके बाद है सेवंथ I like dash Arabic literature. I like to read. इसके बाद है एट्थ his only aim was dash to cheat. इसके बाद है नाइन्थ dash is not allowed here. fishing is not allowed here. Children love dash dash mud houses. Children love to make mud houses.